Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. Jackie and Lady are still in Lake Jackson. And this one's coming from my new place, man. My new galley kitchen and my new rent house. So, it's been a while. I apologize. This one we're going to do today, I've seen it. I've never actually tried it. And this is a shout out to Andy. His dad likes it and he wanted to see a recipe for it. And I've been planning to do it for a year. So let's just get right into it. Before we do, be sure to like, share, subscribe to all the YouTube stuff. And let's just get into it, man. All right. All right, this is a no cooking thing. So the first things first, you're going to need raisins. I guess carrots would be the first thing, but raisins is the first thing we're going to go with. You're going to need a cup of these, whatever kind of raisins you want to use. Water and pineapple juice. For an optional part, if you want to kind of plump up your raisins a little bit, you're going to need some of the tidbits. We'll get back to that. You're going to need mayonnaise. Half cup of mayonnaise, 1 pound of carrots, or one of these small bags of carrot sticks. This is 10 ounces. It's fine enough. And then 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Okay. And then these tidbits you're going to need here, the little pineapples. You can cut up pineapple, make your own or whatever, but it works. Okay. Now, first things first, if this is an optional step, if you want to get you your tidbits or pineapple juice or whatever, get a cup of it, a cup of the raisins, put them all in a bowl. Put a cup of raisins in a bowl, and then get a cup of warm water or pineapple juice, and you want to make sure it's warm, and it'll help plump those things up. You want to let them sit about 20 minutes, just sitting in there. Now, I'm going to drain as much pineapple juice as I can out of these tidbits. It gives me about half a cup. I'm going to replace the rest with water, warm water, okay? And then we're just going to put them in that bowl with the raisins and set them over there 20, 40 minutes. All right. It'll start plumping those up. While we do that, or when we come back from that, while these are still soaking, we're going to get our half cup mayonnaise and we're going to grind down our carrots. Like you get carrots, get you a cheese grater or just a vegetable grater and grind it down, or just get your whole bag of things here, but we're going to clean them, right? Take them over, run the water through them, get them nice and clean. You see how they get into this nice big bowl and they look all right. A lot of them stick to the bowl. Apologies. You get that 1 tablespoon of sugar right on top. Blam. All right. And the diabetic in me just kind of freaked out. And that half cup of mayonnaise, one of these little rubber spatulas is how I measure my stuff, man. There's a better way to measure wets, but I'm broke, so there's a way to do it. I put it in the measuring cup and then use a little rubber spatula to scrape it all out. Put that in there. Now you're going to toss that around as best you can. Just the sugar, mayonnaise, and the 1 pound of the carrot sticks, okay, or the 10 ounces in the bag, or the 1 pound of carrots that you've ground down, okay? Give it a nice toss. This is going to take a little bit, so I'm going to speed it up through the magic of technology. Get it nice and tossed in there. It looks crazy with the mayonnaise on it. When it sits, it starts going, the mayonnaise goes clear because of the oil content. So that's generally what you'll see on a lot of the buffets. Now take and drain your raisins. Throw that whole cup of those drained off raisins, and then that whole 8 ounces of the pineapple tidbits too. Now, some of the recipes don't call for the tidbits, but I'm a pineapple fan more than a raisin fan. Give this a nice toss, give it a stir. Once again, make sure this is all coated with your mayonnaise and sugar mix. That just sounds horrific, but the end result is really good. So go ahead and give it a toss around in here. Make sure it gets all nice and stirred up. When you're done, you want to let it sit in the fridge. You can cover it with saran wrap if you want. It's up to you. Depends on if you have any other thing fragrant in your fridge that might taint it a little bit. But there you go. Put it in the fridge. Let it chill for at least 20 minutes where it gets chilled all the way through. Serve, ready to go. And that's it. That's easy enough. I've been putting this off. I've bought the material for this at least 4 different times waiting to do this. But I've been moving, and then I was working, and then I was just working too many hours, and I couldn't do it. So I finally got to this. Give this a try. I've seen it on a buffet, but I never knew what it's called or what it tastes like. And then my friend Andres told me to give this a try. So here we are, man. Let me know if you try this, or if you've had it before, or if you got a different recipe. Hit me up. Let me know. I will, very much revisit this, even though I made way too much for just me by myself at the new place. There you have it, folks. Carrot raisin salad to bring us back into making these at least weekly. I'm going to try to do it at least weekly, y'all. No guarantees, but I missed y'all. I missed doing this. And right now with the worlds and all the prices sucking, it's like you rang, man. Here we are. We're going to put this out. If you have any suggestions on what else we should make, I got a couple of things lined up I want to try. I want to do. Put them down in the doobly-doo. Let me know. Find me on all the socials. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon, Instagram. I'm over on TikTok, dude. Just find us. Let us know. Put it here. If you're watching it here, watch it here. Andy, there you go. Show it to you, Pops. Shout out to him, man. He was the inspiration for this whole thing, and Andy's the reason why I had to do it. So try it. Let me know if you taste it. If it tastes horrible, this looked good enough. I tried a little bit. So if I go out next time and I see it on a like a buffet or something, I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna try it. So I'll see y'all next time. Y'all please be safe. Again, sure, like, subscribe, come back. We got 500 recipes down here. Find something you like, and I'll see y'all next time. Y'all be safe, okay?